Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Wyze Cam Black Edition. This came out for Black Friday. They do have a few left. I'll leave a link down in the description. They did make limited quantities of them, but I just wanted to compare. This is the Wyze Cam V1. This is a brand new V2, and this is a V2 Black. So let's go ahead and get both of these unboxed to see how they differ. So the first thing we need to do here is cut the tape on the top. So again, this is a V2. So it's got white on the front, and this has got the silver. This is the V2 Black. So open the top. Very similar, but slightly different. Got the box. That one didn't stay together. Two boxes, and then the box of accessories with the manual. Get this out of the way. Box of accessories with the manual. So the manual looks identical. Nothing particular about the Black Edition. So the manual is the same. We'll get to the cameras here in just a minute. This is the white box accessories. Got a white USB micro cable. We've got metal grommet, the adhesive, and a white wall wart. And then in the black box, we've got a black USB micro cable, the same washer and adhesive, a black wall wart, and this time some silk and gel. Let's get to the cameras themselves. So the same Wyze Cam we know and love. And now the black version. So same motion. It's even got a black sticker here on the bottom. So the main difference between the 1 and the 2 is I believe they changed the sensor slightly, but there's a glossy finish. So I don't know if the camera picks that up very well. There's definitely a glossy finish on the white plastic. Versus the V2, it is a very matte finish. So the only part that's glossy is the actual LED or infrared section here. But everything else, you can definitely tell on the black that it is matte. So the black does have a protective cover. I can get it off here. But it is the same. So it's a really cool thing. You can actually see the difference. Well, I think, there you go, you can see all my fingerprints there. Versus we move it over to the matte and it doesn't. So again, we've got the V1, the V2 white, and the V2 black. So not a huge difference, but a little fun thing to have a black edition. It can be hidden a little better in some situations. If you do want one of these and didn't get one, I did buy an extra, and I am going to do some sort of giveaway for my subscribers. So stay tuned to that. If you have any suggestions of how you think we should give it away, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and let me know what other cameras you'd like me to review. I do have a few in the queue that I'm reviewing, different ones that can be found on Amazon or through wholesale distribution. So thanks for watching. Again, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.